Today we're unboxing the HP ZBook X G1i, a 16-inch mobile workstation built for serious creators, engineers, and power users. Let's dive right in. Inside the box we've got the ZBook itself, a 150-watt power adapter, and documentation. The first impression: solid build, clean matte finish, and that premium HP design language. This machine means business. Military standards certified for durability, with an all-aluminum chassis that feels rugged yet sleek. At around 2 kilos, it's portable for a workstation-class device. Connectivity's top-notch: 2 Thunderbolt 4 ports, 2 USB-A, 1 HDMI, headphone jack, Ethernet port. Optional SmartCard reader, SD card reader, and nano SIM card slot, plus Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.3 for smooth wireless performance. The 16-inch anti-glare display delivers sharp visuals and great color accuracy, perfect for editing or design. The keyboard's tactile and the large touchpad feels precise. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech unboxings.